All right, kids, this is a test video, test run of my Italeri Vosper 77 conversion. I've got too much motor in it. I have way too much motor in this boat. And the hull's not completely sealed up right now. I've got tape over the portholes, and the deck is screwed down, but I will have to put like some sort of glue I can release, so if I ever want to take the deck completely off, I can. I'm building it where I don't have to, and I may just epoxy it together. So on a hard run, I was getting some water in, even with all the portholes taped up. And this isn't so bad. Now, I didn't do a great job of cutting my hatch, so I got to find a better way to seal that. But this is half throttle. It's got a 1900 kV motor in it. It might be more than she needs, but I think it probably is. And even on 2 cells. I think I would prefer that to be my top end. But so far, except for a couple of minor issues, she's doing all right. It actually handles better than my Dumas boat does, so, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with her so far. I got to figure out what details I'm putting on and what I'm not, because I am a ham-fisted old son of a gun, and some of that stuff's fragile, and this boat's going to be put in the water and handled. So hence, you know, some of that stuff's going to be left off. But you know what? This is not bad. This is not bad. I can live with this. Throttle her back, get off plane, and just cruise around looking for enemy shipping. I've moved the battery over to the right a little bit, and I think I need to put it back to center. But you know what? I can live with this. So now I've just got to detail her up and possibly put a lighter motor in it. About a 1500 kV might be about what I want. 1600 kV. Yeah, this works good. Italeri, make some of these set up for RC. Would you do that, please? So we wouldn't have to do all the, you know, it would be so cool if you do that. These are neat boats. Or maybe have styrene decks and parts and have an ABS hull. I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy with it. All right, I'm about to take her home. Y'all be good.